So you just got your new iPad Pro during the holidays and you're looking for the best accessories for it. Whether you bought the bigger, more expensive iPad Pro or just the regular 11-inch iPad Pro, all the products that I'll go over will most likely have a version for either size. So one of the first things I bought for my iPad is the Apple Pencil. I'm not a great artist by any means, I can barely draw, but it's something I definitely want to learn in the future. But the Apple Pencil is a great tool to have even if you're not an artist. You can use it to navigate through the iPad and use it as an extension to your fingers. The second thing I would recommend is a dbrand skin for the back of the device. Whether you're a case person or not, dbrand offers a bunch of different skins that can make your new iPad unique. The one I have on here is a white marble, but they have a ton of different color options and styles, plus it provides good scratch protection, which is really nice. Now, if you guys want to go and check them out, check out the first link in the description below. Now the next thing I would recommend is a screen protector. Now I'll give you guys two options, one of which is made for artists and illustrators and pairs really well with the Apple Pencil too. So this is PaperLike, and it's a screen protector that makes it feel like you're writing or drawing on a piece of paper. This gives the screen a bit more grip when using the pencil, so if you love to draw or love to take notes on the iPad with your pencil, then I highly recommend picking this up. The other one is a glass screen protector that I bought from Amazon. Again, links will be down in the description below. The Amazon reviews are a little bit mixed, but I haven't had any problems with Face ID and it still works with the Apple Pencil. Next up is a great alternative to Apple's $80 smart Folio Case. This is the Moco Folio Case that I bought on Amazon for $16, and it literally looks and feels like the official Apple Folio you can buy in stores, but 4 times cheaper. So what about a good travel bag for your new iPad? Well, I ended up going with Aer's Tech Sling. It's minimal, it's perfect for carrying the 11-inch iPad Pro, and I can carry a bunch of other items and accessories for the iPad. There's a ton of different slots for chargers, pencils, and whatever it is you want to carry with you when you're out and about. Now, if you have the bigger 12.9-inch iPad Pro, you can put it on the other side, which can hold the bigger version just fine. Now, I'd also recommend getting an extra USB-C charger. This one is the Anker PowerPort Speed 1, and it has one USB-C port that can charge your iPad in no time. It can deliver up to 30 watts of power, and you can use the same USB-C cable that came with your iPad or ones you can buy from Amazon or Anker. Now, if you're looking for a keyboard for your iPad Pro, the official Apple Smart Keyboard is obviously the best keyboard you can buy. But if you don't want to spend $200 for a keyboard, a great alternative is this new Logitech Keys to Go, which seem to work really well with the iPad. It comes with a stand to place your iPad in, or just use the case I recommended, prop up the iPad, and use the keyboard that way. The only thing that I didn't like about this keyboard is that it doesn't have a USB-C port for charging. Unfortunately, it's still using micro, but other than that, the keyboard is slim, minimal, and it's super easy to travel with. Now, the keys are a little bit mushy compared to Apple's own keyboard, but give it a few days or so and you'll get used to it too. And that's it. I hope this gave you all some idea on what to pick up next for your brand new iPad Pro. Make sure to check all the links in the description below for all the things that I mentioned in this video. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next one.